Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on auto free up space on your Android phone without any stress. Let me give you the simple settings. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. So go ahead and click on Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on my phone right here. Then under my phone, go ahead and click on storage right here. Allow the storage on your Android phone to load. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is scroll down right here and make sure you turn on this particular button. Low storage management. Some third-party apps restricted for starting while storage is low. App already in the background are not affected. Go ahead and turn on this. Go ahead and click on enable. Lastly, go ahead and click on cleanup. Go ahead and click on clean all the junk file. It's that simple. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you fill now under the auto cleanup. Go ahead and click on fill now. And scroll down right here and make sure all these buttons here are turned on. It's that simple. With that, you have auto cleanup your junk file or unnecessary file in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.